Does the AD600 from Topdon read live data and Misfire accounts? Well, let's hook it up and find out. Went ahead and did a quick scan. As you can see, it'll scan through your PCM, TCM, ABS, right, airbag systems, and TPMS. We just hopped into the PCM here, and as you can see, we do get data stream, and then we also get Misfire data as well. And with this live data over here, you can graph up to 6 individual PIDs or combine 4 PIDs together. And we're able to do that in any of these other systems as well, like the TCM, ABS system, right, airbag, and TPMS. Really sets the scanner apart from most of your other cheaper ones is the amount of maintenance reset functions you get, like throttle relearns, right, electronic parking brakes, DPF regens, ABS bleeds, injector coating, even some TPMS functions. And it's always going to be lifetime free updates as well, so you never have to pay for any subscription fees. So definitely hit that orange card below, check them out while they're still on sale.